Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channels. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities market. Overnight, the soybean oil January month dropped 1.79 to close lower at 40.92. And just informations, today is the holiday of US market on Thanksgiving Day. So the market is closed for whole day for the agricultures, CME agricultures. In the Dalian's market, the active contracts rose 154 points to close higher at 9910 on previous night sessions. While in Malaysia, the crude palm oil futures closed higher for the third consecutive day on Wednesday. Palm oil trader noted that the concern over the slow pace of productions are sustaining positive market sentiment. FCPO February month's contract rose 63 points to close higher at 4798 on yesterday's main sessions. And let's moving into the chartings. The pump price in daily charts is remain trading within the downward channels, with the latest price touches the resistance line of the channel at 4840 to 4850. If you're looking closer to the hourly charts, we see some pullback after it touching the resistance line and potentially turning into the sell. However, there's likely a limited downside as the price recently just broke up from of a top of the sideways consolidations and likely supported for upside. We see the first support at 4780-75 is supported at this range. This could provide some buying opportunities, and the trader may looking to buying on the retracement plan. So we see the support is over here. Otherwise, if the price couldn't support at this range, we might see the selling continue further downside from here to the previous support at around 4750 to 45 here, which is also the top of the sideways consolidations. Just beware of any sentiment change. So for our call on this morning session on CPO market, long positions may be open above 4790 with the target to set at 4818 to 4846 and the stop loss to set at 4770. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 4790 with the target to set at 4770 to 4749 and a stop loss at 4810. So next, we're shifting our focus to the index market. Updates on the US market. The overnight Dow Jones dropped 138 points to close lower at 44722. Wall Street's major indexes finished lower on Wednesday, with the Nasdaq leading the declines as technology stock fell on Thanksgiving Eve. Concern about the Federal Reserve's cautious stand on the rate cuts following the persistently strong US inflation data also weighed on the investor sentiment. In Malaysia, the benchmark FPM closed marginally higher on Wednesday, with the gain in utility stocks helping to counterbalance the selling pressure in the plantation sector. FKLI November month contracts dropped about 0.5 points to close almost flat at 1602. And reminders to the traders that tomorrow onwards, the FKI will traded on the December contracts. So we might see the volatility within November and December FKI contracts within these 2 days. The FKI remain trading within a downtrend range in the daily charts. In the index reached a resistance at 1607 to 08. Looking closer to the hourly charts, it forming a sideways consolidations. Previous resistance 1607 and 08 remain the resistance range, crucial resistance range to decide whether the index will continue to break up and for further going up. And so on yesterday trading, it forming a double top here. and trades within the sideways consolidations, we likely to see some selling pressure to coming in with the support to sit at 1599 to 1601. If supported here, we may see buying opportunities as it serves as a bottom of sideways range. It failed to support, then it is likely to coming down to the next support range. So it seems like the index is supported at the bottom of the sideways consolidation. So there's likely the index, if it coming up back to 1604 and break up, then we might see the 1607 again. Yeah, so here's is our view for the morning sessions. As we wrap up, the analysts keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Just keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective, and the view we presented here are for your reference. Wishing you all safe and successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.